to know our top 3 sources of instructions here at AshdownJones in Windermere. I'm Sam Ashdown, and in this episode of Whiteboard Wednesdays I'm going to share with you exactly where we get our main lead sources from. So I'm going to take off the table the word of mouth and referrals. I'm going to assume that that is a big portion of what we get. But the thing is, word of mouth and referrals, it's very difficult to ramp those up. If I said to you, right, next week or next month you need to double the number of referrals you get, how would you even approach that? But if I show you where we get our main instructions from, we could actually double all those. So number 1 is direct mail. And I've covered direct mail a lot on Whiteboard Wednesday videos. That's not canvassing, that is highly targeted direct mail. Sometimes we only literally send out 1 letter. Sometimes we send out 50 letters. The most we ever send out in one batch is about 250. And obviously we've got different letters for on the market and off market, and we get different results from both those too. But in our first year of operation, 70% of our instructions came from direct mail. And that worked out about £350,000 in instructions. So that's how valuable our special letters are to us. I have been writing direct mail letters for over 15 years now, so we're pretty good at it. Our letters are amazing and they get fantastic results. And if you ever become a client of ours on the Add 100k program, you get access to some of our best top performing direct mail letters. Number 2 is our content. We put out a huge amount of content, you've probably seen. We have a campaign every single week going out on social media and on our blog posts, and also across all our other social channels, all about the content for that particular month. So that particular month might be how to get your house ready for spring, it might be should I take my house off the market for Christmas, and also more generic and non-seasonal content like 6 things to do before a viewing, or top 11 home staging accessories that every house needs. So that kind of content really gets us in front of people more often and gets us the credibility that we need in order to convert these high value home clients. And then 3 is social media. Obviously we channel our content through our social media channels, but then we need to augment and enhance that content with other things that we do. So we show a lot of behind the scenes, we show sneak peeks, we show what it looks like when we go out on a viewing, or when we're styling a house, maybe some before and after photographs. We do lots and lots of videos, we do an Ask AJ every week, and that content all gets us in front of the right people. And so that when we do go and knock on the door on that first valuation, they feel that they know us, and that really is a conversion tool as well. So there are our top 3, direct mail, content and social media. And how are yours doing? If you let me know how your direct mail, social media content are doing, then we'll give you a quick assessment if you like. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. But in the meantime, make sure you go to Facebook and YouTube, subscribe and follow Marketing Magic for Estate Agents, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.